or boys. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Hey sisters, so today I'm gonna be filming a video.
Well, obviously, duh, that's why I'm here.
Video on how you can crimp your hair with a flat iron if you don't have a crimper. Now, obviously, with the flat iron, you're not really gonna get it as crimped as it would look if you were to use a crimper, but we're gonna get close. So the materials you're gonna use are a brush and a comb, 2 clips, of course heat protecting. Especially if your hair has color on it like mine, you want to definitely take care of your hair because you don't want it to break off anything. I did install this myself. Hold on, I just think y'all need a close-up because I don't think y'all see what I just did here. So first, we're gonna start off by spraying some heat protectant. And I'm just gonna split my hair like that. I'm gonna section off a part on this side. And I'm gonna put the rest of this up. So I'm gonna be doing this side first. I'm gonna comb through the hair so that there's no pulls, no tangles. Put your flat iron on the hair. Go up, down, down.
Yikes, honey bun. That ain't hot enough, sis.
Trust the process, sis. Woo! Brush through this section real quick. Okay, comb the hair. And do the same thing. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh, that was hot. Okay. Oh, we gonna do it again. We're gonna comb through the hair, and it crimps better when you hold the flat iron on there just a little longer than usual, because if you just run it through, trust me, it's not gonna really do nothing, because I've been doing that and girl, it wasn't working. Sometimes it's like an up down motion and sometimes it's more of a forward back, so it just kind of depends on the position. This side did way better than this side, but after I brush it, I'm about to go back through and do the same process. Before I brush through it, I'm gonna take, I forgot to mention this earlier, but I'm gonna take my yellow Got2b and I'm gonna lightly spray this is what it's looking like. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but this side pretty much picked up the curl, the technique that I did way better than this side. Overall, I would definitely do a lot of this difference. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Hope you loves enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content. Later.